Hello everyone. Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel Simple Bappa Travel Vlog. If you're visiting the channel for the first time, a warm welcome to you. And to all my regular viewers, thank you so much for your continuous love and support. This is Simple Bappa and today I'm taking you inside one of Bangkok's finest 5-star luxury hotels, Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit. If you're planning a trip to Bangkok and want a hotel that combines comfort, luxury and one of the best locations in the entire city, then stay tuned. In today's video, we'll explore the rooms, restaurants, rooftop bar, swimming pool, spa and everything this beautiful hotel has to offer. Let's begin our tour. Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit is a 5-star luxury hotel located right in the heart of Sukhumvit Road. It sits between Soi 13 and Soi 15. Surrounded by some of the best shopping malls, restaurants, nightlife and entertainment spots in Bangkok. The hotel has a direct connection to BTS Skytrain and MRT via a sky bridge, making it super convenient for travelers. Whether you want to visit temples, shopping districts or nightlife areas, everything is easily accessible. The hotel is a 32-story tower, elegant and modern, offering 345 rooms and suites with beautiful city views. As soon as you enter Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit, you're welcomed by a beautifully designed luxury lobby that sets the tone for the entire hotel experience. The lobby is spacious, elegant, and decorated with a blend of French-inspired design and Thai cultural elements, a signature style of Sofitel hotels. You'll notice warm lighting, polished marble floors, stylish seating areas, and modern art pieces that give the space a premium and sophisticated atmosphere. The check-in counters are well staffed and the service is smooth and professional. Even during busy hours, the staff remains attentive and friendly, making guests feel comfortable from the moment they arrive. There's also a lounge-style seating area where you can relax while waiting, enjoy a welcome drink, or simply appreciate the ambience. The overall feel of the lobby is calm, serene, and luxurious, a perfect introduction to the hotel's high standards.
Bangkok city, lights so bright. Sukhumvit Road, shining all night. Sofitel lobby, the first time our step. Luxury vibe, oh my, can't forget. Simple Bappa roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Skyline Judah, swap North Tara. Simple Bappa Bangkok Ekura, breakfast free, buffet full of taste. Cross on eggs, nothing goes to waste. Poolside chill, cold breeze.
Now let's head to the room, one of the main highlights of Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit. The hotel offers 345 luxury rooms and suites. Each room features a comfortable king-size bed, large windows with city or pool views, a stylish work desk, flat-screen TV with international channels, high-speed Wi-Fi minibar and coffee/tea maker, beautifully designed bathroom with premium toiletries. Some rooms include bathtubs, rain showers, and upgraded bath amenities that give you a true luxury experience. If you book a club room or suite, you get additional benefits such as access to the club millésime lounge, complimentary breakfast, afternoon tea, evening cocktails and canapes, dedicated check-in check-out service. The rooms are designed for both comfort and elegance, mixing French luxury with Thai hospitality.
Camera rolling, Bappa down the go. Rooftop Belga, sunset glow. Music on deck, vibe it overflow. French touch mixed with Thai flavor. Sofitel memory, forever my treasure. Simple Bappa roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Room or window, take city day. Simple Bappa living best days. Luxury bed, Sofitel our vacation plan. Simple Bappa, camera in hand, exploring vibes in a foreign land. Sofitel Bangkok, home for a while. Every moment here brings back a smile. Bangkok city, lights so bright. Sukhumvit Road, shining all night. Sofitel lobby, the first time our step. Luxury vibe, oh my, can't forget. Simple Bappa, roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Skyline Judy, swap Nordara. Simple Bappa, Bangkok Kura. Breakfast free, buffet for the taste. Croissant, eggs, nothing goes to waste. Poolside chill, cold breeze blow. Camera rolling, Bappa on the go. Rooftop Bangkok, sunset glow. Music on deck, vibe it overflow. French touch mixed with Thai flavor. Sofitel memory, forever my treasure. Simple Bappa, roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Room, air, window, take city day. Simple Bappa, living best days. Luxury bed, soft like cloud. Traveler heart, always proud. Bangkok at Sukhumvit, they're gone. Sofitel our vacation plan. Simple Bappa, camera in hand, exploring vibes in a foreign land. Sofitel Bangkok, home for a while. Every moment here brings back a smile.
Now come to the swimming pool of the hotel. The hotel features a 23-meter outdoor swimming pool, ideal for relaxing after a long day of sightseeing. Whether you want to sunbathe or take a refreshing dip, this pool area is quiet, clean, and beautifully designed. The pool at Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit is one of the most relaxing areas of the entire hotel. Located outdoors on an elevated terrace, the 23-meter swimming pool offers a peaceful escape from the busy streets of Bangkok. The pool area is beautifully designed with comfortable sun lounges, shaded cabanas, and plenty of space to unwind. Whether you want to take a refreshing swim, read a book by the water, or simply enjoy the sunshine, this spot is perfect for slowing down and relaxing. The atmosphere here is calm and quiet, making it ideal for both families and solo travelers. There's also a poolside bar where you can order drinks, snacks, and light meals. A great touch if you want to enjoy a chilled afternoon without leaving the poolside. During the evening, soft lighting gives the area a warm and cozy ambience, making it a lovely place to relax after a long day of sightseeing. Overall, the pool at Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit offers a refreshing, comfortable, and elegant environment, a true highlight of the hotel experience. Fitness Center. A fully equipped 24-hour gym is available for guests. It includes cardio machines, weights, stretching areas, and more. Great for maintaining your fitness routine while traveling. Luxury Spa. Sofitel Spa offers massage treatments, relaxation packages, steam rooms, and wellness therapies. It's a must visit if you're looking to unwind and recharge.
Bangkok city lights so bright, Sukhumvit Road shining on.
Here are some additional services you can enjoy at Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit. 24-hour room service, concierge assistance, airport transfer arrangements, laundry service, free Wi-Fi everywhere, valet parking, meeting rooms and event spaces. The staff is extremely helpful, well-trained and friendly, something many guests mention in their reviews. One of the best parts of staying at Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit is the complimentary breakfast, which truly feels like a luxury dining experience. Breakfast is served in a spacious, elegant restaurant with plenty of seating and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The buffet is large and diverse, offering dishes from around the world. You'll find freshly baked pastries, croissants, and breads, a live egg station where chefs prepare omelets, scrambled eggs, or eggs, any style hot Asian dishes, including Thai specialties, Western options like sausages, bacon, grilled vegetables, and hash browns, a salad bar with fresh greens and toppings, fresh fruits, yogurt, cereals, and smoothies, a cheese and cold cut section, juice selections, premium teas, and high quality brewed coffee. The staff is very attentive, your coffee cup is never empty, and plates are cleared quickly so your table always feels neat. Overall, the complimentary breakfast here offers great variety, fresh ingredients, and top-notch service, making it a perfect start to your day in Bangkok.
Sofitel lobby, their first our step. Luxury vibe, oh my, I can't forget. Simple Bappa roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Skyline, Judah swap north tara. Simple Bappa Bangkok Kura. Breakfast free, buffet full of taste. Croissant eggs, nothing goes to waste. Poolside chill, cold breeze blow. Camera rolling, Bappa on the go. Rooftop Belga, sunset glow. Music on deck, vibe at overflow. French touch mixed with Thai flavor. Sofitel memory, forever my treasure. Simple Bappa roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Room or window, take city days. Simple Bappa living best days. Luxury bed, soft like cloud. Traveler heart, always proud. Bangkok at Sukhumvit.
Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit has several excellent restaurants and bars inside the property. 1. Le Macaron, a perfect spot for coffee, tea, pastries, and light snacks. Ideal for a morning start or a quick afternoon break. 2. Maison Mizuki, a Japanese-inspired dining and drinking experience offering sushi, whiskey, cocktails, and a stylish lounge atmosphere. 3. Bella Sera, an Italian restaurant serving pizzas, pastas, and classic Italian dishes, perfect for lunch or dinner. 4. Belga Rooftop Bar and Brasserie, one of the major attractions of the hotel, a Belgian rooftop bar offering city skyline views, premium beer, European dishes, and a romantic evening setting. This rooftop location is perfect for celebrating special occasions, capturing photos, or simply enjoying a beautiful Bangkok sunset.
Sofitel our vacation plan. Simple Bappa, camera in hand, exploring vibes in a foreign land. Sofitel Bangkok, home for a while. Every moment here brings back a smile. Bangkok city lights so bright. Sukhumvit Road shining all night. Sofitel lobby, their first our step. Luxury vibe, oh my, I can't forget. Simple Bappa roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Skyline, Judah swap north tara. Simple Bappa Bangkok Kura. Breakfast free, buffet full of taste. Croissant eggs, nothing goes to waste. Poolside chill, cold breeze blow. Camera rolling, Bappa on the go. Rooftop Belga, sunset glow. Music on deck, vibe at overflow. French touch mixed with Thai flavor. Sofitel memory, forever my treasure. Simple Bappa roaming in the town. Sofitel comfort, never let me down. Room or a window, thick city days. Simple Bappa living best days. Luxury bed, soft like cloud. Traveler heart, always proud. Bangkok at Sukhumvit, they're gone. Sofitel our vacation plan. Simple Bappa, the camera in hand, exploring vibes in a foreign land. Sofitel Bangkok, home for a while. Every moment here brings back a smile.
Now question is, why you should choose this hotel? If you're wondering why Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit stands out from the rest, here are the key reasons. Outstanding location. Situated in the heart of Sukhumvit, making shopping, nightlife and transport very easy. Luxurious rooms and comfort large. Modern rooms with beautiful baths, premium bedding and perfect city views. Variety of dining options from casual pastries to rooftop fine dining. There's something for everyone. Great for families, couples or solo travelers. Rooms are spacious, amenities are excellent and the rooftop bar makes it romantic too. Top level service. The hospitality is warm, professional and consistent, making your stay memorable. Nearby attractions. Within walking distance of the hotel, you can explore Terminal 21, Shopping Mall, Sukhumvit nightlife areas, Soy Cowboy for adult entertainment, restaurants from every part of the world, massage parlors and spas, BTS and MRT stations for easy travel. The location is truly one of the biggest reasons people choose Sofitel. My personal experience at Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit was fantastic. The room was comfortable, the bed was super soft, and the city view at night was amazing. The rooftop restaurant is a highlight. I recommend visiting during sunset. Overall, the hotel offers a premium luxury experience at a reasonable value for what you get. Highly recommended for your next Bangkok trip. Thank you so much for watching this full hotel tour of Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let me know which hotel or place you want to see next. This is Simple Bappa signing off. See you in the next video. Take care.